Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Google Ads campaign from scratch, step by step. Whether you're promoting a product, a service, or just trying to get traffic to your site, this guide will help you get started the right way. Let's jump right in. When you first create a campaign in Google Ads, one of the biggest decisions you'll make is choosing your objective. This isn't just about setting a goal, it affects how Google sets up and optimizes your campaign behind the scenes. You've got several options to choose from. There's sales, for driving purchases, leads, to collect contact info, website traffic, to bring more visitors, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, and local store visits. For most beginners, I recommend picking a goal that matches what you really want from your ads. For example, if you run an online store, go with sales. If you offer services, leads might be a better choice. Once you've selected your objective, it's time to choose your conversion goal. These are specific actions you want people to take, like making a purchase or calling your business. Choose the ones that matter most to you. Next, select your campaign type. And since we're focused on Google search ads in this video, go ahead and pick search from the options. This means your ads will appear in Google search results, perfect for capturing high-intent users. Now set your campaign goals against things like website visits, app downloads, or phone calls. If you've already set up conversions, you can skip this. After that, give your campaign a name that's clear and descriptive. Something like fall, sale, search, shoes works better than just campaign 1. Let's talk about your budget. Google asks for your average daily budget. That means Google will average your spend across the month, but on some days it might spend more or less than that amount. Make sure you think about your total monthly budget and how many campaigns you're planning to run. Next comes bidding. This is where you decide how much you're willing to pay for a specific action, like a click or conversion. Google will suggest a bidding strategy based on your goal. You can go with their default or set a target cost per action if you want more control. Just keep an eye on performance. If your bid is too low, your ads might not perform well, and that's it. You've now set up the foundation of your Google Ads campaign. From here, you'll move into ad groups and create your actual ads. But that's a video for another day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see a full walkthrough on ad copy or keyword targeting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.